how to fix ChatGPT not loading 2026. So to fix GPT when it is not loading, you can start by checking the internet connection. Just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Now, next what you can do is on your Android device, long press the app icon, tap the info icon, then choose storage and tap clear cache and clear data. On your iOS device, you have to upload the app. Just go to the settings, then scroll down, then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find ChatGPT from the list, or tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for ChatGPT. Now tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Then you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go to your Apple App Store, find the ChatGPT app and then reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the ChatGPT app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.